Buzz Talk, we are covering how to clean your brush if you have acrylic trapped in your bristles and it's dried in the bristles, it is completely hard and you cannot work with a brush that has acrylic in it. So how will you clean your brush? You don't need brush cleaner. It's not necessary to buy another product. You can use just your normal monomer. I'm just going to add a little bit. I prefer a deep dampen dish. And the reason for that is my brush can rest in that position for about 10 minutes. And also I'm going to mix it with a little bit of acetone. So just a mixture of monomer and acetone. And then you can rest it in there. So I'm just making sure that the bristles are covered, that I have enough to cover the bristles. It's not necessary to fill it up completely. If you have a brush where the handle is not stain resistant, you don't want to have too much product, otherwise it can damage your brush. So just a mixture of monomer and acetone, and you can rest your brushes in there for 10 minutes. After you are done, take paper towel or nail wipes or whatever you use, and then I will just dry. Make sure that you spin your brush into a point. Always make sure that your brush makes a point and that it dries in a point, that it's always ready to use with your next service.